If you are looking to make the most of your savings and earn competitive interest rates upwards of 5% APY, you are in the right place. Let's go. Once you have logged into your account with M1 Finance, go over here and click on Earn. Here you'll find an Add Account, individual and joint offering. Let's go ahead and click Add Account. It brings you to this page right here that says which would you like to open, either an individual cash account where I am the sole owner and it looks like a maximum of 4 accounts, or a joint cash account. Co-own this account with a partner, maximum of 1 account. I'm going to click on individual cash account. What would you like to call this account? Looks like you can name your accounts or skip it and do it later. I'm going to call this savings and click continue. Next page, why are you opening this account? General savings, general expenditures, internal transfers, or investments. I'm going to click on general savings. How much do you plan to deposit? Well, if you're a big spender, go right ahead up there. I'm going to click 0 to 10,000. Where will the first deposit come from? Pension, trust, or inheritance, or gift? Transfer from another account or an external bank. I'm going to click external bank. How much do you plan to take out? I'm going to click 0 to 10,000 as well. I want to put money in. So this is where you can add a trusted contact, and I'm going to do that now. After adding your trusted account contact, I'm going to click Add Trusted Contact. Bring you to your next page where you need to view an e-sign agreement. Open that up. It brings you to a new page. We're going to read it as fast as we can. Perfect. Now back to our sign. Looks like we viewed it. I'm going to accept e-signature and electronic disclosure agreement. Continue. Then you're going to review everything, scroll down, and click continue. Once you confirm your detailed information, we're going to make our initial deposit. I'm going to do $100. Looks like it will take 3 to 4 business days. That's fine. And I'm going to confirm deposit. Your deposit is underway. You're off to a great start, and head over to your cash account. And there it is. Your transfer is underway and will show in the list below shortly. I want to read this box right over here. It says M1 High Yield Cash Account is an investment product offered by M1 Finance LLC, an SEC registered broker-dealer. Member of FINRA, FINRA.org, SPIC.org. M1 is not a bank, and M1 High Yield Cash accounts are not checking or savings accounts. The purpose of this account is to invest in securities, and an open M1 investment account is required to participate in the M1 High Yield Cash account. All investing involves risk, including the risk of losing the money you invest. Great tip, M1. All right, so I wanted to ask a question to the M1 Help Chat. And I asked about the high yield cash account that states that it is, quote, not a checking or savings account. And I asked the question, is it FDIC insured like a normal bank? The new M1 High Yield Cash account offered by M1 Finance LLC. So the cash account is offered from M1 Finance LLC. M1 is not a bank. We know that. They work partner with B2 Bank. So I'm wondering how we're going to look at FDIC insurance, as of course, safety in the bank is a concern. I think what I'm going to do as we learn information is I'm going to use this as a place to store quick capital for my investing account, and I can set up automatic smart transfers through M1 to invest easier. And there you have it. Opening a high yield cash account with M1 Finance is that simple. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or building up that emergency fund, M1 offers a great high yield product that can help you reach your investment goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and reviews, especially about M1 Finance.